A lemon. Is a lemon sour or salty?
Sour.
It's sour. Now, which one of these is sour? The pickle or the popcorn?
The pickle.
Very good. So match the lemon to the pickle. What color is the circle for the lemon and the pickle?
Yellow.
Very good.
A pretzel.
Pretzel. Is it sweet, sour, or salty?
Salty.
Salty. And is popcorn salty?
Yeah.
What color are their dots?
Green.
Yeah, very good. Does it look like breakfast, lunch, or supper?
Supper.
Supper. We have a
Steak.
What is it? What is it?
Meatloaf.
Meatloaf? Looks
Oh,
like
yeah.
a chicken leg.
Chicken leg.
Yeah.
Chicken leg. Beans. Egg.
You think that's the egg? I think it's mashed potatoes with butter on it.
Yeah.
And I think these are sweet peas. For lunch today, I have this can of crescent rolls that I've had in the refrigerator for a few weeks now, I think. We have some mozzarella cheese and Canadian bacon. So I'm just gonna make some little Canadian bacon and cheese crescent roll-ups and put them in the oven. Thank you, sir. You wanna help me put the cheese on them?
Yeah.
Okay, hop up there and wash your hands real quick and I'll get something for us to lay them on.
Please feel weird.
Oh, it's being a little weird. That's okay. So we're just gonna cut our Canadian bacon in half like this. And then we can put our pieces on here this way and they'll fit on there better. Now we'll put a little spinach on them too here.
I fixed that.
Okay, I'll put the cheese right here. You help me put it on there just a little bit, okay? We'll roll them up and put them on the pan. Here in a little bit, we gotta run to the Goodwill. We have to make a return. We went there the other day because Titus was looking for work shirts. That's where he gets all of his work shirts because he goes through them really fast. They get worn out very quickly. So he went there to get some, but they don't let you try stuff on anymore. But they do give you 14 days to bring it back if it doesn't fit. So we gotta take some returns back there. And I think we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree if I can talk him into it. He doesn't love going to the Dollar Tree, but I might can talk him into going in there. And then it's such a pretty day, we're probably gonna go for a walk.
We just found some new treasures over there.
Yes, at the Goodwill. Yellow tag. Things were 99 cents, but it's always the way it goes.
We didn't find very many
You
yellow
can't find
tags.
many yellow tags. Whatever the color is, that's a really good deal. It's hard to find those tags. Now we're going into his favorite place,
Yes,
Dollar Tree.
I love this store.
They've got Valentine's boxes over here. Look, these oven mitts are always really cute at the Dollar Tree, but they're just for looks. Trust me.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I would
You
dare
can
say,
still feel the heat.
grab an iron skillet with that bad boy.
Yeah, you don't want to.
I will say the groundhog, our groundhog, as y'all know, saw his shadow, but I don't believe he was right on this
I
one.
know, I don't think he was either. General Beauregard, that's our Georgia groundhog. No,
He was wrong on that one.
I don't think he was
I
right.
mean, I see my shadow right now, but I ain't worried about it.
I'm picking out some stuff for the kids' Valentine's boxes. Cece will love one of these little stickers in hers sometimes. I have them a little box that sometimes we do it for like a week. Sometimes we've done it for 10 days before Valentine's Day. They get all excited about it. I just put little, you know, a little treasure for them in their box when they wake up in the morning.
Fun stuff.
Yeah, it also makes them excited about getting up for school
It's
because
like Ollie's though. It's fun stuff.
cheap, yeah. Oh, I usually get pencils. Oh, these little bags are cute. It's a 2-piece. Little Valentine's bags. Oh, and this one's a 3-piece with them. The little burlap sacks. That's really pretty. Love lives here.
We're gonna get that, y'all. It's only $1.25.
This is for you.
I like you a lot. I like you more. You make my heart full. Oh yeah?
This is what you do. If y'all don't want to spend money on each other for Valentine's Day, just go in somewhere and show them this is what I would give you. Sneak peek of spring to your right.
Yeah, oh, there you go.
Check it out. Look, they already got peeps.
Sour watermelon. Have you ever? And my granny would say, I never seen the beat in my life. I never seen the beat in my life. A sour peep.
Also, St. Patrick's Day peeping out at you. Oh, never mind. It's speaking loud.
Hollering at you. Look at here. Mini bubble tube.
Oh yeah, did they have some of those kids like those in their Valentine's boxes? I didn't see any Valentine's Day ones though. Easter eggs.
Get ready, y'all. Get ready for the garden.
Oh, look at that.
You know what? I'm gonna get some of these. I know this year is my year.
Red.
This year is my year.
These are 4 for $1.25.
I'm gonna get 4 of them. That way, if the first one, the 3 of them die, 3 packs of them die, maybe 1 pack
We
will
grew
live.
these Hungarian hot peppers before, and they actually grew really good.
Well, let's get 1 pack of those in.
That's
We have
fine.
faith in that 1 pack.
Yeah.
Y'all know I won't let you down.
Just don't ask us to grow anything besides peppers and okra.
Right. Heaven forbid you ask me about a watermelon.
Look, here's some bride and bridesmaid flip-flops if anybody's looking for that.
Watermelon kind?
Yeah.
Back in my day, when I was a kid, this could be a flip-flop or a paddle.
Oh, yeah.
Depending on, if you know what I'm saying?
I've never seen this before. Peppermint sage. All-purpose cleaner. This is supposed to make like ants and stuff not want to come around. Peppermint
Let me have
scent.
that. In the summertime,
Yeah.
them ants won't
Oh,
come
they
to
also
my
have
house.
peppermint and sage dish soap.
Man, everybody's in
Peppermint sage, granite, and marble. Man.
How much
you
is
can
this,
smell your
$1.25?
Yeah, $1.25.
I'll take it.
They can smell your whole house up like peppermint and
Do they got
sage.
any laundry detergent for $1.25?
Oh, well, they do, but it's little. Or it's the kind that'll give you those rashes.
Break me out everywhere?
Yeah.
You'd be like, this is
See?
what we wash our clothes with.
That's it right there.
Oh, it is? We wash our clothes with this right here and you be all red. No, this is the section for
Pain
horseshoers.
relief. Yeah.
Farriers. The farrier section, folks. Shoulder. This
Muscle
dude's,
rub, yeah.
This dude's hurting his
Neck, muscle, neck, elbows. Yeah.
Knees. These are dollars.
$1.25, yeah.
What's this called? The Dollar Tree?
Yes, but now everything's $1.25 instead of $1.
They're going to have to go up to the $1.25 tree.
Yeah.
I can see us drinking out of this right here.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
That's nice for 2 or 3 days till it breaks. Folks, kids,
It will break. It will get broken.
let's just get to.
Or sometimes I accidentally drop stuff when I'm washing dishes.
Let's get 4 and see how long they last.
Okay, it'll be we'll keep y'all updated on
Keep
it.
you updated.
This is why is shaving cream right here? I think that they thought this was
Shaving
air freshener. I think they thought that shaving cream was air freshener. Oh, we
See
got
what that smells like. Here we go.
Fireside Joy. Oh, I bet this lavender smells good.
Oh yeah, Fireside Joy. After you eat chili or something, let's just do tropical.
We might need to get,
That shaving cream?
Yeah,
For
that's
women?
shaving cream.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know. I mean, that Fireside Joy
What does that smell like?
would be like a skunk.
That smells like.
But I don't know. After you got done doing a word puzzle, you'd be like,
It's just,
what a beautiful day to take a walk. This is actually a really pretty walk.
yeah, it is our favorite.
Yeah, it is.
Kids are tired of this one. They said that this one's boring now.
This is 1 year. Most of the time,
He wants it to stay winter.
I want it to stay winter. But this year, for some reason, I'm just ready for some warm weather. You know?
Ready for spring.
I'm ready for spring.
Let the birds sing.
Let the birds sing. I'm ready for spring. Be thinking of the next sentence.
Okay.
I'm ready for spring. Let the birds sing. What else, baby? Come on.
Bring out the sun.
Bring out the sun.
I'm ready for fun.
I'm ready for fun. Mama, you are writing a #1 hit. Can you do it again?
No, I think I'm all out.
Oh, folks, here I was singing my #1 hit before it went on the radio. There's only one dude that's heard it, and that's him. He may get it and sing it. If he does, though, it's a fun song.
Right.
Here's another little creature that's ready. He's ready for fun. Fallon thought that there was a Sasquatch coming up.
Something was coming out of the woods because there's a lot of black bears. Y'all know, we have a lot of black bears around here. But if you have ever seen the first episode of the show, Finding Bigfoot, we are not very far from right now from where
That
a
was
lady
filmed.
says that she saw Bigfoot cross the road. Yes.
Yeah, I mean,
Helen, Georgia was the first town on the Finding Bigfoot show. That was the very first
we're very
season
close.
1, episode 1.
We're very close right now as to
Yes.
where that joker was seen. They never
Where she
seen
saw
him
him
again.
crossing the road.
That right there is where the granary is. This is behind it right here. There's the place we got coffee the other day. The little jumping goat place. Passerby that came by us a while ago as we were singing our #1 hit. He didn't hear it because He just came back by us this way, and he's ear butted up.
Oh, we're good then. We're safe.
Well, I tell you what, song like that one, I can rest now. I might actually speed that song up, almost like bluegrass. They're not having the fun they'll have whenever the sun comes out.
I'm making an old country omelet from this old country store recipes book. It's just a different way to make an omelet. Here it is, old country omelet. I'm not putting in the potatoes, but everything else I'm doing like it says. I thought I had some frozen O'Brien potatoes, but I don't, so we're just gonna leave those out. But yeah, you just kind of mix everything together so it's like a all mixed up omelet instead of just a stuffed omelet or something. So we're cooking some bacon in here. I'm making this for Jonah and Sissy and Manly. Everybody else has already had breakfast this morning. We got up really early.
How many eggs?
I'm probably gonna need, since it's just for y'all, about 4 eggs. We're just gonna crack our eggs into this bowl. I'm gonna get a little bit of this onion. We don't need the whole thing because it's a pretty big one. And we're gonna add it to the pan with the bacon. Now if you were adding the potatoes, you would cook the bacon first and then take the bacon pieces out and just add the onions and potatoes to the bacon drippings and cook those. But since we're not doing the potatoes, we're just gonna go ahead and put the onions in here with the bacon. Okay, we'll let that cook for just about another minute or two until the bacon is done. Back to the eggs, we're gonna put just a little bit of milk in here and some pepper. Okay, I'm going to drain just a little bit of these bacon drippings out of here. Now we just pour the egg mixture right on top of the bacon and onions. Okay, now I'm going to turn this back up to a little below medium, and we're going to cover it and let it cook.